In this video, we are going to discuss about the Cauchys differential equation. So we will see first the standard form of that. So it is x square into d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus py equal to q. Okay, so where p will be constant and all. Now the steps to be followed to get the answer of this. What we need to do, we have to replace x with ex. Put x is equal to e power z, sorry, not e power x, e power z. It is a new variable we are introducing. Now if I take log on both sides, it will be log x is equal to log of e power z. What is log of e power z? It will be z. That's what I have written over here. Z is equal to log x, taking log on both sides. Now next, what it becomes? Now this part, this x square d square y by dx square will become d into d minus 1 by 1 into y. This I can write it in this way also, that is d square minus d into y. It's the same thing. So always remember, while solving the problem, you have to replace this part with this. Next, after writing, you have to write all the steps, okay, before solving any sort of problem based on Cauchy's differential equation. X into dy by dx you have to replace with dy, and d by dz you have to replace with d. So let us see one problem based on this in order to understand the steps involved in solving this problem. Now we have came to the question. So you can see over here, solve x square y double dash minus x y dash plus y is equal to log x. Now no one can confuse where is that d square y by dx square and all. Basically y double dash is nothing but d square y by dx square and y dash is dy by dx, correct? So it is nothing but y double dash is d square y by dx square. Okay, y dash is this one. Now in RHS also we have some function. Now put x is equal to e power z. It's the same thing as I said, z is equal to log x. Now x square y double dash will become this part, and x y dash will become dy, and d is nothing but d by dz. Now for solving the LHS, it is the same procedure, but you need to remember we have to involve this z part and all, because you have to replace x with e power z and z with log x. You can see over here we have log x. That means you have to replace log x with what? Z. Now next, x square y double dash I have to replace with this. So I have replaced d square minus d, this part, d square minus z, d, then minus x y dash d. Where is y? Y is we have taken outside. Then y, what is y? We have to take 1 because we are taking common. Y equal to z. Why is z? Because you are replacing z with a log x with z. That's it. Now we have to solve this. Simplify this one. Minus d into minus d is minus 2d. d square minus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to z. Now the thing is that you have to replace for the auxiliary equation you have to write. It's the same procedure, but you have to take care of z. That's it. So you have to replace d with m. M square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. Find the value of m, then write the roots. Remember, when you write the yc, you have to take in place of x, you have to write z. That's it. Okay, you have to remember. So y c1 plus c2 z into e power z. You have to write in that form. You can see over here y e power z, because you can see we have the solution e power ax here. Okay, what is a is nothing but 1, so it will be e power x. Now we have to replace x with what? Z, not with e power z. Okay, remember this. For writing the yc, you have to replace x with z. That's it. Now after doing this, we have to replace z with the certain this thing. That means z you have to again replace with the log x, and e power z we have replaced with x. That's it. So don't get confused. What we need to do, we have taking a z over here, so you have to just replace x with z. That's it. And after replacing x with z, then you have to write it in this form. You have to take this 2 and write it in that form. Okay. Next, for the RHS side, we have to see this is non-homogeneous differential equation. So you have to take care of the yp. So yp will be 1 by function of d into whatever function is there on RHS. It is z. So z is nothing but we can conclude that it is we can say a polynomial function. Okay. comes under polynomial function. So what we need to do in that case, you have to just divide it, division method. So we have discussed that case also. So we have to take z inside and whatever is that outside. In decreasing order, you have to take 1 minus 2d plus d square. Then 1 into what will give me z? It is z. So then we have to do minus 2d, minus 2 into differentiation of this, I'll get minus 2. Double differentiation of z is 0, so no need to write the third term. Now we have to go for the subtraction, so this term will get cancelled. So remaining minus of minus 2 is plus 2. Now 1 into 2 will give me 2. Again go for the subtraction, I will get 0. So thing is that whenever you get a constant, no need to multiply with this. Anyways, the differentiation will be 0, constant. Okay. Now we have got z plus 2, that will be the solution yp. The thing is that we have to get it in x form, function of x. So z I can replace with what? Log x. So I have replaced with log x. So thing is that when you write the solution at first, you have to write it in z form, then you have to bring it in x form. That is a procedure. Z form, then x form. Z form means you have to replace x with z, that's it. Then what you need to do, whatever z form is there, we have discussed before also, that is nothing but z is equal to log x equal to e power z, that you have to see. E power z with x, z with log x, that's it. So what is the final solution? As we know, we have got the final solution. Then just write it in y is equal to yc plus yp form.